Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I have my luxury sunglasses. I don't know which word to use or how to say sunglasses in plural, like different pairs. I have my luxury / designer sunglass collection. I'm also sprinkling in my lower range and mid-range options for you guys, but I feel like a small but decent pair of luxury sunglasses that I think some of y'all might like. It technically is 3 pair. It should be 4 because I ordered another pair of sunglasses, but they did not arrive. I was waiting for them to arrive until I made this video, but it's been 20 something days since I placed the order and they're still not here. So we're just gonna keep on trucking. So with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will link shopping links down below in the description box if you want to check any of these out. I believe that they are all current for the most part, and if they're not the same exact color, they might have a different color, but the model is still available on Neiman Marcus, the Saks, even the designer's website. And so yeah, we're gonna start with the lower range, and I only have 1 pair of sunglasses, you guys, because I try my best to steer clear from H&M, Zara, Mango, a lot of fast fashion brands, because when I purchase items from these brands, I tend to purchase an overabundance of things. Stopping that has allowed me to minimize and condense, because my minimal and my condensed for a lot of people is still an overabundance. But with that being said, I have downsized tremendously. So these are the only lower fast fashion brand sunglasses that I own, and they are these Mango Dramatic Cat Eye sunglasses. And the reason I purchased these was because I think it's Celine or Saint Laurent. One of them has like this very dramatic cat eye sunglass that looks similar to this. I just did not want to pay that much money for a style of sunglass that I think looks horrible on me. I personally don't like this. It's very fashion forward. I'm very basic. I'm not fashion forward. I'm not trendy. And these sunglasses give that off. So I rarely wear them. I think I got them on sale for like 10 to 30 bucks, and they're very cheap. You can hear it. Like, I don't know. It sounds like plastic. It says made in China everywhere. There's no branding. It feels flimsy, like these things feel flimsy. And yeah, was it worth the 10 to 30 bucks that I paid for it? Yeah, I think so. But would I purchase them again? No. The next category are mid-range, and I have a lot of these. I don't have a lot with me now, but in Florida, I have like 6 or 8 of these because they are my favorite sunglasses, you guys. But I have some here as well in Germany, and they are the High Key aviator sunglasses, original size, not the mini. And I have the, which ones are these? The gold metallic frames with lenses with the black frames. And then these are the ombre black stereotypical key colorway. I don't think they created this, but they made it very popular. When these came out, everyone and their mother had these sunglasses. And for me, I just love aviators. I love this style of sunglasses. And yeah, I think these were 50 bucks. I think I got some in Florida for buy one, get one free. So that's why I have so many. I only paid 30 or 35 bucks per pair. But I do have to say that these are a little bit more expensive. You can feel that. You can see that in the craftsmanship. You can also just see in the details of these sunglasses that they have, I don't know, they just look nice in my opinion. They have little things here and there, like this little, it's not a grommet, but this little thing here on the frame and lens that looks really nice. Everything is pretty sturdy when comparing it to the cheaper, lower, more affordable option range, but you can still see, let's see if I can show you this. You can still see that they're not the best. And granted, I'm not treating it like a baby, but I also should be able to have normal wear with these sunglasses and not worrying about pieces falling off. This should not be an issue. And so when you're comparing that now to my luxury and designer branded sunglasses, None of them do stuff like this. And so the first one that I'm going to show you guys, which one do I want to show first? I think it's going to be from Bottega. I really like these. If you saw my unboxing of these, you already know what they look like on. But anyways, I will show you what they look like because I like them. And they are these gold green aviators. I feel like I'm in Top Gun. They're a very cornered type of aviator compared to, let's say, the Keys. These are very circular, and then these are like a hexagon, octagon, pentagon, something like that. They have a bunch of like corners, and these are like circles. And I think that's a big difference, or you can like see the difference when you're looking at aviators. Some are more square, some are more circled. These are more squared. They feel amazing. They feel so like hugged on my face. Like they don't stretch, they haven't stretched yet. And that's something that is very different for my Quay aviators. And look, when I go like this, wait, I'll show you guys. These are like the minor details that you can see the difference in price, why they cost a little bit more. I'm trying to like not touch it, but like, as you can see, this is falling down. If I go like this and go like that, it just falls down. This, I can shake all day and it won't fall down. They'll just stay. They feel sturdy. They feel like they're made a little sunglass that is a tank. These feel like little tanks on your face, that they are indestructible and nothing will happen. And then like the branding as well. Some people will say it's not worth it, and it technically isn't. When you're buying designer and luxury items, generally speaking, you're paying for the brand, you're paying for the name, but there are some quality differences in my opinion when you're looking at how it's etched in. So they have better branding than the cheaper mango sunglasses that I showed. It says Quay here, has the name of the sunglass etched in on the inside here, but these actually have it like etched into the metal. Like if you rub your hand against it, it has Bottega written in the metal. And that's something that is like tiny minor differences that just make it worth the money in my opinion. I don't know if I can find the green ones for you guys, but I do know they have other colorways. It's the same exact sunglass, but it just has like a gray, a black, a pink, a gold. The green is very hard to find. I believe it was a seasonal item from 2019, but some places do still sell these. They're just a little bit older. And so the next pair that I'm going to show you guys is the pair that I get the most compliments on, and it is going to be my Burberry Daphne sunglasses. And this is what they look like, you guys. They are very retro. I find it to be hilarious that every single pair of designer / luxury sunglasses that I own, they have like this bluish or greenish tint to them, even though I'm not the biggest fan of blue or green. And I really like these. They are a muted gold leaning towards silver. For me, I feel like this is good because you can wear any color jewelry and it doesn't look too contrasting. But I do have to say these are amazing. Minimal branding. There is the Burberry flag stripe thing over here. Burberry is here, and then Burberry is written on the lens here. Very subtle though, very subtly though. They have the plastic nose pieces, but I do have to say these were tremendously more affordable than the Bottegas, so they should. I don't mind the plastic there. But yeah, look like a little bug. I'm always buying sunglasses that make me look like a little bug. I also have to point out that when you're buying designer sunglasses, you're usually paying as well for the accessories that come with it. So this is the Burberry case. I love this sunglass case. It's very nice. And you get as well this type of pouch that you can put your sunglasses in if you don't want to have such a bulky case. And then you have the microfiber little towel that you can clean your sunglasses with. And my Bottega Veneta came with those as well, but I don't think I do have it. Yeah. And it's also, everything's on brand with these things, like everything matches. You are generally paying for like the accessories and the experience of getting designer / luxury items. So the last and final pair of sunglasses are probably the most dramatic for me. I've seen sunglass collections where people have these ridiculous sunglasses. I would never wear those, but for me, these are out of my comfort zone, but I really like them. This is the case that it comes in. It comes with a pouch. It comes with a little microfiber towelette as well. There is Gucci written on the inside, and then you close it. Oh, has a nice velvet or suede, I think it's velvet, case. This is very big, very nice. It was supposed to come a little darker though. I don't know why they sent me this one, but I'm not here to complain about the color of the freaking case because I don't use the case like that. It stays in my closet. But these are my Gucci bug. I call them the bug sunglasses. This is what they look like. Y'all, I love these sunglasses. When I was on vacation in the Maldives, the girl next to me at our table, we were like assigned tables for the whole time that we were there, and our like partner table, our neighbors, the girl, she always came with like amazing items, amazing clothing, and she always wore these sunglasses, and her head was generally like a pea compared to mine, very small. And I was like, wow, they're really big, but they're really nice on her. So I thought if they were really big on her, they'd be like medium big on me. And so yeah, these are what they look like, or this is what they look like. It's green here. It's like a green marbled shell type of design. It has the GG on it, and you can't really tell, I think, in the camera, but the frames are green as well. And I was a little hesitant. I was gonna get the all black version of these, but I was like, be a little fun, step outside of your comfort zone, get some color, add some color to your closet, and this is what I got. I love them, you guys. I think I look ridiculous, but they give me like bad bitch energy, and I'm so happy to have these. So dramatic. Gucci, I feel like, makes the best dramatic, over the top sunglasses, and that's what I'm getting with these. And yeah, nobody can tell me nothing. These were relatively expensive. So you have to love the shape, I feel like, or you have to love these sunglasses to want to purchase them. But they were worth every little penny, and they feel like they were worth every little penny. And so yeah, those were all of my sunglasses, you guys. Like I said, I ordered the Prada sunglasses. They never arrived. I would love to be able to show you guys them. Maybe when they arrive, I'll do an unboxing or a review of them so you guys can see them. Other than that, you can let me know which sunglasses you liked the most, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.